Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Bitcoin account on Cash App. Let's get started. So, the first thing you need to know is that Cash App doesn't give you a direct option to just delete your Bitcoin wallet by itself. The Bitcoin account is automatically created inside Cash App, and you can't remove it separately. But there are two ways you can deal with this. The first option is to contact Cash App support. To do that, open the app and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Support. From there, you can use the chat option to explain the issue with your Bitcoin account. If there's something wrong, like an error or a problem you want fixed, they'll help you resolve it. But if your goal is to completely delete your Bitcoin account and stop using it altogether, the only real way to do that is by closing your entire Cash App account. To do this, go to your profile and scroll down to Support. Then, search for Close Account. From there, choose Close your Cash App account and follow the steps. Once you confirm, your Cash App account will be permanently closed. And that also deletes your Bitcoin wallet linked to it. So, in short, you can't just delete Bitcoin separately. You either contact support to resolve an issue or close your full Cash App account if you want it gone completely.